Hi pals, today I come with another video, and this one is meant to make your life easier, because you realize with the digital devices like laptops and mobile phones, a lot of things come up and sometimes we just don't get the way out. Today I'm going to show you a trick on how you can save any web page in full, including all the details on it, for later reference or for other purposes. First, before we dive into this video, let us try to just go through a bit of reasons why you might want to save your web page. One of the reasons that drive people to save a web page is power outage. Remember, sometimes you might be working on a project or a document and you're on a desktop. That desktop is connected to a UPS or an interactable power system, but most UPSs, they go off like after a few minutes. I'm sure most of you have been in offices, and when power goes off, you start hearing some sounds, teet, teet, teet. Such sounds are for the backup systems that just have to keep a desktop computer user going, or to alert him to save his or her work before actually the power goes off or the UPS gives in. So that's one reason. Power outage might affect your internet accessibility. Maybe a base station somewhere will not operate because of lack of power, and therefore will not have access to internet, and so you want to be able to have that information on that particular web page even when there is no power. So you have to save that web page, all the details on that web page, for your later reference. Then secondly, you also might want to save that web page because you're using a different device and you want to carry, or you want to export that particular web page from a computer that has internet access to another computer that doesn't have internet access. Maybe you want to put that web page on a drive, like a flash drive or a memory card, or you just want to transfer it into another, maybe a tablet or a phone, where you know you're going somewhere with it, somewhere that you will not have internet access. This one mostly applies for those people who have to go to cyber cafes to be able to access internet, or to be able to find unlimited internet. So when you go into a cyber and maybe you want to carry some of the web pages that you know maybe at home you'll not be able to access because of lack of internet or lack of bundles or something like that, you save the web page and then you transfer it into a portable drive, like a USB disk or an external hard disk, or a mobile phone or a tablet or a laptop, so that you can access it at home without internet. So those are just some of the reasons. And maybe for students, for their own research, you know, not all parts of the country or parts of the world are endowed with the same infrastructure. Some students in other parts of the world have to travel long distances to access internet. So such students might maybe want to save some web pages for their later reading, to be able to do their homeworks and their assignments. So saving web pages helps them to have a point of reference even when they access them in desktops in remote areas where there is no internet or something like that. So let's dive into this. So the first thing is that you must be using Google Chrome browser. Google Chrome is a browser provided, I think, by Google, and most people actually use it. Most people use it to access internet, to access various web pages, social media web pages like Facebook, YouTube, and things like that. So Google Chrome, it just looks like this. This is a home page for Google. When you go to the search bar and you type google.com, this is a home page. So Google Chrome. So in the Google web browser, you come to this area at the top. You find an icon like this one. When you put the cursor there, it shows you extensions. Have you seen that? Watch that extension. So you click on it and you're able to see the extensions that you have installed on what? On your computer. But how do you install this particular extension that we are looking for? Now, the extension is called full page. I'll find its real name here. It is full page screen capture. Full page screen capture. Full page screen capture. So when you open and you search in the search bar, you search full page screen capture Chrome extension. You hit enter, so it will open up this Chrome extension screenshot. Install the extension. Are you seeing? Go full page screen capture, that one. So we click on that and it has an icon of a camera, as you can see here. So once this page opens up, you're able to see that it's called Go Full Page Screen Capture. So for me, I already installed it, but for you, since you have not installed it, you'll find that let me just remove so that you can see what it will look like. So it will ask you to add to Chrome. Some information there you can read. So you click add to Chrome, and then this pop-up window will come. Go full page. So there is add extension and cancel. So you click on add extension, and then it right here checking. Once it has checked, it will download the extension and install it on your browser. That's Google Chrome. So you see it has installed. There is a notification here. Use this extension by clicking on this icon by pressing Alt plus Shift plus P. So those are just some shortcuts. So the extension is here. So when we go to extensions, we can find it here. Where is it? Here, and we can pin it so that we're able to see it on these Google Chrome bar here at the top. So that's how. So how do you use it? Assuming you have searched something maybe about anything, for example, COVID-19 vaccination. So the World Health Organization, and there are various results that have populated from our search. So let's say we want to maybe read this website, coronavirus disease COVID-19 vaccines. So we click on this, and this web page opens up. You see, it has a lot of information there. Or let's go back and maybe try another one. Maybe something like this: coronavirus COVID-19 vaccine, NHS. So we have this website here. It has a lot of information that we can read. So assuming we want to save the whole of this web page for our later reference or future use without access to internet, what do we do? So once this way, you open this up, and then you go to the extension, you click on it, then it will record the web page right from the beginning as it automatically scrolls through. There it is. And now this is the whole of it. If you click on it, you see it is telling us to expand because the cursor shows some magnifying glass. So when you click, it expands. So that is the captured web page, the whole of it. Now you can delete or you can download. And when you download it, you are downloading it as a PNG, means as an image, or you can also download as a PDF file. So in our case, let's download as a PDF file, for example. So it tells us the screen capture has requested additional permissions. Just allow the permissions so that at least it can save that. So down here, as you can see, it will start downloading, and once the download is complete, you'll be able to see your file here. So when you open it up, there you have your PDF file, a full web page as PDF. So this one you can even put in your, you can store it in your tablet or your mobile phone or your Windows laptop or any device that can read a PDF file, and you can be able to use it to read, to access it even where there is no internet. Isn't that good, my people? So that's fantastic. So I thought that was a good feature that I was to share with you guys. And if you like what we are doing in this channel, kindly hit that thumbs up button, like the video, subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new channel. And I hope you stay safe. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.